Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatyanna if you're new, and today's video is going to be an unboxing. So I'm actually unboxing this bag that I really wanted, and it was actually on my 2021 wish list, and it is the YSL LouLou Small with the black caviar leather with the gold hardware. So I can't believe I'm actually unboxing this bag. And the crazy thing about this bag is I literally got this bag for almost $600 less, y'all, than if I would have went to the YSL store. So the bag, I got it from Selfridges, so this is how it came. It didn't come with a box or a YSL bag, so that kind of sucks. But I can't beat the price. Like, you can't beat this price for this bag. So let's unbox it. So it came in this. It's the dust bag. So this is how it looks. It's so pretty. I wanted like another everyday bag besides my Neverfull because I feel like I wear that all the time, and I just wanted something that I could wear when I'm wearing black. So I decided to go with this one. So here it is. And the best thing about this bag is that you could wear it like you could double the strap and wear it just under your arm, or you can make it longer and wear it as like a crossbody. And at the end of the video, I will show you mod shots so you can kind of see how it looks on my frame. But it's so nice. So this is how it looks on the inside. I actually like how it has like compartments, so that way you can stay more organized. Like, I hate when bags are just like one giant hole, because then you lose everything and you kind of have to get a bag organizer. But this bag, you don't really need an organizer. You can just put like your important stuff in the middle. You can put your cards and stuff on this side. But it's so soft, guys. Like, and I just love how it's like, it puffs. And I love the gold hardware. I'm such a gold hardware type of girl, so I love this. And it did come with the authenticity cards and everything inside. And I just love all the details on this bag. Like, it says Saint Laurent like on the straps. It says it right here, like around the hole for the chain. I just love how it's just like, the bag, even though it has like YSL on it, it's kind of understated and it's like not like logos everywhere. So, and yeah, like, I can't believe I got this bag for that price, y'all. Like, if you guys want this bag, I highly recommend, like, right now, you just go into Selfridges right now. I'll also try to link it below so you can see if you could grab it. But if this bag is on your wish list, you cannot beat this deal. You like, cannot beat this deal. So yeah, this is pretty much the bag. So I do have all the details and dimensions about this bag. So the bag is actually 25 by 17 by 9 centimeters. The shoulder strap is 56 centimeters, and the folded shoulder strap is 30 centimeters. This bag is made in Italy, and it is 100% calfskin leather. So now I will show you guys the mod shots. So this is how the bag looks on me. I am 5'3" and a quarter, and that's how it looks. And this is where it hits me, like on my hip, like if I wanted to wear a crossbody. you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. I do post every Sunday and Wednesday, so I will see you guys on my next one.